We're going to do a quick little video interview of everybody, just get your name and where you're from. But nobody passed the test this morning because there's a morel we planted back here and nobody saw it.
I did see.
Oh, you saw it? Oh, that's right there.
Sweet. I did, but I was waiting for the dog.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
No, 2 or 3 years ago, we had our group meeting here, and Lavina went to walk Fisher, and over on the side over there, there was morels in the landscaping. So you was here in one too. Yeah. All right. We're at the 2014 Sisters Oregon Foray. Name and where you're from.
Craig Overmeyer, Hillsboro, Oregon.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you. We've known each other online for many years, huh?
Yeah.
And I'm his wife, Andrea, and I'm from Hillsboro, Oregon, too. Happy to be here.
All right. Good to meet you.
Yvonne Mesmer, and I'm from Salem, Oregon.
Okay.
Mark Mesmer, also from Salem.
It's from Salem. Love Salem.
Kathy Garing from Salem, Oregon.
Okay.
Scott Garian from Salem, Oregon.
Yeah, we do a truffle hunt around Salem usually every January or so.
Sims Ely, Bend, Oregon.
Okay.
Haynes Ely, Sacramento, California.
All right. You had a long drive, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Did you drive or fly?
Drove.
You guys flew, right?
We flew.
All right. No first rodeo for you.
No.
Name and where you're from.
Jim, Scottsdale, Arizona.
All right.
Rob Blasius, third time.
Okay.
Rose, Jim's wife, from Arizona.
All right. Good to have you.
Yeah.
Name and where you're from.
I am Tatiana Gush. I'm from the Dallas, Oregon. It's
Okay.
my daughter Faith.
Okay, Faith. Ready to go hunt some mushrooms today? All right. Have you hunted before? Okay. Well, you'll have fun. It's like Easter egg hunting. You like Easter egg hunting, don't you? Okay. All right. It's fun.
He's the hot spot.
Yeah. Hey, if everyone could come here.
Oh, here they come. They're circling up.
Mistake for pine cones and walk right by them. So
Right.
I don't know if you saw those. Saw them out there. There's some big ones right up here. You see back over there? Yeah, go pick some of those. There they are right there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey, Trevor. Can I get the keys, man? I want to
yeah,
put
ma'am.
some stuff in and take some stuff out.
I think the battery's dead.
Oh, really?
Where's my boy? Sims?
One's still by the base of that tree right there.
This one.
Find one?
Yeah, I'm over here.
Oh my God, yeah.
Rose,
Yes?
come here. Everyone wants to spread out, go upside of the hill here. We didn't check that. Around campgrounds, we found plenty.
Oh, look at these dragonflies.
Oh, nice.
A whole bunch of wild strawberries.
Yeah. Do you see any fruit or just flowers?
Just flowers.
Apiaceae family and the citrus family do that. That's really interesting. gosh, are you videoing? Oh, I hate being on video. Before we...
You know, ideally, depending on where you're at, you could see them, you know, from far away, you know, because it's level and there's grass. I mean, that's ideally, it's easy to get the most. But this is like a 6 or 7. Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, they say to kind of...
Oh, wow.
Yeah, pretty good one.
And were those sticking out of the ground, or were they cracks in the ground like this?
They're just hanging out, yeah.
Oh, they're clumps, like right there.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
all
man.
right around us.
Wow, good find.
Am I? Oh my goodness! Here's a very large one. Cut it! Oh my goodness!
Oh, nice. Oh. Look at that. Nice.
Yay!
Good job, honey. Another strange shaped one.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Not your classic.
Getting going on treat symptoms. I know this is America, though. I know you should drive a new truck. I need a new one.
Yeah.
Give me your old one.
My last one was
Good to eat, but it's kind of throw it out there. It's pretty mealy.
Yeah, it's probably got worms. It's a big one.
Matter of fact, you showed me where that was, remember?
Yeah, it's
I
funny.
walked across the street or down the road, across it and down just maybe 25 feet, and I found one about half that size.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that was
Nice. All right, we got Spring King Bolites here at the Mexican restaurant. Everybody enjoy.
We just don't have any plates.
All right, guys, how's the Bolites?
Awesome. They are very good. Very good. So what he's saying is take and cut this dirty part off, because you just simply can't have that in.
Minced ramps from Michigan. We're gonna make mushroom bruschetta and stuffed jalapenos and mushrooms.
You got a serrated blade, red knife.
Got the mushroom soup here and sauteed porcini and morels to go in the bruschetta and the stuffed mushrooms and the jalapenos and the quesadillas.
Okay, we need that other onion.
Yeah. Okay, guys. The first thing we're ready is the soup. It's got porcini in it that we found. It's got morels. It has my oysters that I grew over there, and I put some of the dryad saddle, which came from Michigan, and then I put some dried stuff in there, a little bit of black fungus, of the Asian mushroom, and a few other things. So, you guys enjoy. He's right there.
He's right there. Just hanging out.
Think with this thing.
All right, guys. Here's my mushroom bruschetta, so everybody can try some of that. I'll grill some more too.
Now what kind are on there?
Also, morels and porcini.
Oh, okay.
How's the soup tasting?
Very good.
Good?
Very good.
All right. Everybody try some of this salsa from my friend made.
Oh, maybe.
It's got it's got mainly morels, but it's got all kinds of other mushrooms in it as well.
Thank you.
I got porcini and morel quesadillas.
Nice.
Everybody can try that.
Do you eat like this?
Stuffed mushrooms with it has porcini, morels, bacon bits, cream cheese, and ramps from Michigan, wild ramps or leeks. Fried morels. We got the Alfredo going there. Bread them in flour.
Dredge them in egg and
Nope.
fry them, or
Nope.
just
Straight flour, fried and buttered.
Oh, wow.
See what you think.
Any seasoning or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Just salt. Well, how'd the morels taste?
Very good.
Good stuff, huh? Guys, enjoy.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Looks great.
How's everything tasting?
Oh, it's so good.
The only thing I neglected to do was put. We found just enough to cook and still have everybody have party favors to take home.
Yeah, what did my wife say?
Like your to-go gift bag.
Couldn't make the trip. Get home and make her.
If anybody wants to try any of that pheasant back there, you're welcome to chunk of it too.
How do you cook that one up, son?
I just dice it up and saute it.
Where do you have pheasant?
Pardon?
Where's the pheasant?
The pheasant back is this here. I brought it from Michigan.
Oh, yeah,
He
okay, I
said
didn't
it's
know.
a tree bleed,
This is
It's a
pheasant.
polypore.
but it has to
Yes.
be white. I mean, it has to
There you
be
go.
fresh.
What exactly is this?
That is birch polypore. And it is edible, but it tastes like birch. I mean, if you smell it.
It smells really,
It smells good, but it's almost like a spice.
yeah. And it's got like a little,
Yeah, I just cut the.
Like
Yeah,
a
it's got
sponge.
right. It's a polypore. It's just like like that there. But I just cut the bottom off and just dice up the top.
huh,
Throw it in the soup or whatever.
LBM.
Yep,
LBM?
absolutely.
What does that mean?
Definitely not. I think they might be a Cortinarius or Entomoma. I'm not even sure.
So could I? Soy sauce.
best soup I've ever had in my life. It's amazing.
Well, you guys picked them, so I put them in. We got
It's
a lot of mushrooms in
incredible.
them.
You're an incredible cook.
A lot of stuff in there. Glad you enjoy it.